Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the scene. Connect the original or a certified PD charger so the tablet negotiates full current. Once plugged in, close background apps and enable airplane mode. This immediately reduces power draw. Make sure to lower brightness and remove the protective case because heat causes the charger and battery to slow charging to protect cells. Now, keep the device stationary on a cool surface. This combination starts faster charging right away and prevents the system from. Next, you focus on the power path. Inspect the cable and port for wear, because resistance from damage slows charging. Swap to a short, thick USB-C cable and a PD charger with adequate watts. This minimizes voltage drop and delivers more current. Once done, enable any fast charge or USB PD options in settings so the tablet accepts higher power. Make sure to prefer wired PD rather than wireless charging, since wired charging usually provides higher current and produces less heat, helping charge faster. Finally, you finish smartly. Aim to get the tablet to about 80% as fast charging tapers after that to protect battery life. If charging stalls or is unusually slow, reboot the tablet, try a different certified charger and cable, and clean the port with compressed air. These steps often restore proper current flow. Make sure to watch the temperature. If the device becomes very warm, disconnect and let it cool before continuing, because high heat reduces charging speed and long-term battery health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.